Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset and erase and delete everything on your iPhone 17. Now, this is something you would do if you're looking to sell, give away, trade in your device and want to delete everything. So first thing before you do this, I highly recommend that if you haven't backed up your device, you want to back up through iCloud or on your computer or move your data over to a new phone before performing this, because once you do this, it will completely delete everything and you will not get it back on this phone unless you have it saved in iCloud or already backed up to your computer or transferred over to another device. Now, once you are good with that, all you're going to do is go to your setting and then general, scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone. And then in order to factory reset, you're going to select the option that says erase all content and setting. And once you do that, it's going to give you an idea what's going to get erased. Generally, all of your apps that you downloaded, all of the photos, videos, documents, music, videos that you have will be deleted. Your Apple ID account will also get removed from your, and this phone will also get removed from your Find My. So you'll hit continue, and then it might prompt you for your Apple ID password, which you'll go ahead and enter that's logged into that device. And then from there on, you click on erase and the process will begin. Now the process does take sometimes a few minutes, sometimes more or less, depending on how much data has to be erased. You're gonna wanna wait and make sure this process finished all the way to the hello screen. During this process, you also wanna make sure you have enough battery. So you might wanna connect it to a charger or make sure it has at least 50% or more charge. And as you can see here, you might see the Apple logo flash a few times and then loading bar come up as well, which is completely fine. Again, just wait through the whole process until you get to the hello screen, which I'll show you what that looks like. Finally, after several minutes, as I mentioned, once you see that hello screen and you swipe up and it's letting you know to select a language, it has been successfully factory reset. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.